Yes, integration part 5. Some formulas are there first of all. So in this part we have very most important 2 marks questions are there. Okay. So before that, already we know what is integration of e power x. What is integration of e power x? E power x only. What is integration of cos x? Sin x. What is integration of sin x? Cos x. The same formulas but small change. First write down this formula. Integration of f of g of x dx is equal to f of g of x by g dash of x plus c. Please write down. Integration of e power of ax plus b dx is equal. What is integration of e power x? E power x only. What is the integration of a power x plus b? Means same a power x plus b. What is x coefficient is there? Some a is there. By a write down. Don't think about this constant term. Okay. Even it is present or absent also no problem. Whatever x coefficient is there, that is by. For example, what is integration of some 5x dx? What's that? Plus something is not there means assume that plus something is 0. Means otherwise what you can write? For example, some 8 is there. How can we write? E power 5x plus 8 by 5 plus c only. For example, integration of e power 5x only is there. What is the answer? E power 5x by 5 plus c only. Means what? Here mostly x coefficient what? That is only by that one write down. So this is the aim of this formula. Similarly, what is cos formula? Sin x. So here x coefficient what? A. So the formula of this one is sin of ax plus b by a, x coefficient, and plus c. Similarly, this is what? Minus cos of ax plus b by x coefficient what? A plus c. Okay. So you know the formulas? Secant square ax plus b. Please write down. Tan of ax plus b by a plus c. And for this, minus cot of ax plus b by a. For this, secant of ax plus b by a. Minus cosecant of ax plus b by a. Okay. Yeah, that's not very simple. Next, so these are very most important formulas, especially the 9th one and 12th one. Definitely many times the questions are asking in the exam based on this formulas, and these formulas also helpful in 7 marks questions. Okay. In this part based on these concepts, almost all 2 videos are there, this video and next video. Then we can complete 2 marks questions almost probably. If anything is remaining, we can learn in the another part also we will make. What is formula? 9th one. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx is equal log of f of x plus c. Means, okay. Next, integration of f dash x by root f of x dx is equal 2 into root f of x plus c. Integration of some f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal e power x into f of x plus c. So now in this video, we learn the problems based on this concept. What is integration of f dash of x by f of x dx? Yes, log of f of x plus c. Okay. Using this formula, we have several problems, 2 marks problems. So let us see what are the problems, and using this formula also we have some problems. Let us finish the problems based on these 2 formulas, and in the next video based on these 2 formulas. In the next video, the questions based on this formula very most important, and in this video based on this formula the problems are very important. Shall we enter into the 2 marks questions? Yes, very good. Before that, please subscribe and please click the like button and share with your friends. Click the bell button also to get more notifications and more videos. Okay. So don't waste our time. We can enter into the 2 marks problems. Yes, 24th problem means up to 23 I think completed. Yeah, 24. Evaluate, find integration 1 by x log x dx. Solution. So 1 by x into log x dx. I am writing this as 1 by x by log x. Am I right? So there is nothing problem to write in this way. Now see, if I assume this is function and this will be this function derivation, am I right? Means first derivation formulas. What is log x derivation? 1 by x. So here many of you confuse log x derivation 1 by x or log x integration 1 by x. We don't have integration log x formula. We don't have integration of log x. But listen totally. But into what is integration of log x? I will tell you in the next another 2 parts. Here it is not important to know now, but definitely I will tell you. So that is also a question, 2 marks question, integration of log x. In the next part I will tell you. So log x derivation is 1 by x. So this is function and this is this function derivation. So this is f of x, this will be f dash of x. So f dash of x by f of x model formula. What is f dash x by f of x dx? Log of f of x. So I will use this formula. Not only for this problem. Now in this we have some more problems are there. First step, let f of x is equal log x, and immediately f of x derivation directly I am writing f dash of x is log x derivation 1 by x. 1 by x. So we know that integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal log of f of x plus c. So therefore integration of this one I am taking 1 by x by log x dx is equal what? See, this is the function, this is derivation, which is called log of, what is the function here? Log of f of x. Log of, this is the f of x written. Here f of x means what? Log x. That's it. Okay. So therefore integration of 1 by x log x dx is equal, this means this is in the form of f dash x by f of x, that is called log of f of x. That's all. Okay. See the next problem for your best understanding. Evaluate 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay. See, x square derivation 2x, x derivation 1. Am I right? So let f of x is equal to, I am taking x square plus x plus 1. So immediately f of x derivation means f dash of x square derivation 2x plus x derivation 1. So therefore integration of what is formula? F dash of x by f of x formula is log of f of x plus c. Actually this is the formula. So based on this formula, integration 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx is equal log of denominator, because of this is the function, denominator is the function. What is denominator? X square plus x plus 1. That's it. This is the answer. Yes. Next ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది integration of tan x what sir, integration of cot x is what sir. So listen, first integration of cot x I will tell you, only 2 steps within 26. Integration of cot x, very simple. Cot x means what? Cos by sin, cos x by sin x dx. See, denominator sin x, yeah, since here I am writing f of x I am taking as sin x, then derivation of f of x, f dash of x means sin x derivation cos x. Tell me, so numerator is derivation, denominator term is function, so this is called what? Log of sin x only plus c. Why? since f dash of x by f of x formula is dx is log x plus c, log of f of x plus c. That's it. What is the integration of cot x? Log of sin x. Next, what is integration of tan x? Okay, so integration of tan x means what? Sin by cos, sin x by cos x. So here cos x is function, this derivation becomes actually minus sin x, but here plus sign is there. Okay, so this is called, I am writing minus into minus sin x by cos x dx, minus into. Now this is function and the function derivation becomes minus sin x. So which is called minus log of cos x plus c. But this is not final answer, one more step is there. So here since f of x I am taken as denominator cos x, then the derivation becomes numerator minus sin x, and here I used the formula f dash of x by f of x dx formula integration. So this is log of f of x plus c. So what is another step, sir? Just wait. Whenever in logarithms, in the left side what is there? That goes to number power, means some m into log a is there, is called what? Log a power m. According to that formula, that is called log. So minus means minus 1 goes to here cos x whole power minus 1, and which is called log of something power minus 1, means so for example a power minus 1 is there, 1 by a. So like that 1 by cos x plus c. So which is called log of 1 by cos means secant x plus c. So this is the integration tan x dx. Okay, got it answer? This is the formula. Next, integration of secant x. Okay. Today for you 4 videos I am making, 4 videos at a time, non-stop, because of many of you asking, sir next video, sir next video, sir next video. But when do I upload, how many days it takes, means maybe 2 days or 1 day, it takes time to upload. Okay, how many are completed? 24, 25, 26, 27 completed, 28. Integration secant x dx. Secant means just 1 by cos x only. Then how? Very simple. Here I am rationalizing with this secant x with secant x plus tan x by secant x plus tan x. I am rationalizing with secant x plus tan x. So now which is equal secant to secant square x plus secant x into tan x becomes secant x into tan x. So numerator is secant x plus tan x dx. So now this is the function, this derivation is numerator. How? Secant x derivation is secant x and tan x, it is there. Tan x derivation is secant square is there. So since f of x is secant x plus tan x here, so the derivation of f of x, f dash of x, secant derivation sec x into tan x plus tan x derivation secant square x. Now tell me, so derivation of this one is this one. So in the form of f dash of x by f of x dx. So that is called log of f of x. In each and every problem, write the formula in the right side of your page. Then the formula is repeated by you in many times and in interesting way. So easily you can remember. So which is called log of, what is f of x? Denominator. Always function is denominator only. So log of secant x plus tan x plus c. That's it. You just tried this 29 problem, how to find the integration of cosecant x dx. Same way. Rationalizing with what? Cosecant x plus cot x? No. Because of for secant tan x both are positives, but here for cosecant x take minus. So take cosecant x minus cot x, multiply and divide with cosecant minus cot x and do it, you will get. The answer is log of cosecant x minus cot x. Okay? You do it, this 29th problem. Next, 29th. So this is very most important, 29th problem. So please keep in your mind, the 29th will be very important problem. Sorry, 30th, 29 is integration quotient. So the 30 problem is integration of 1 by x log x, x into log x into log of log x dx. So like first problem in this video, 24th or 25th. Okay, some one problem. Yeah, 24th problem. Same usually. So but this is very important. So here also you can split like in the 24th problem. These two terms I am writing in the numerator. This is 1 by x log x. Yes, 1 by x log x I am writing in the numerator. And denominator is log of log x and dx. Okay, which is equal. See, this is the function. The function of this one derivation is numerator. Am I right? So here f of x I am taking log of log x. So then derivation log x d by dx of log of log x. I am writing step by step because of important problem. So log x derivation is 1 by x. So here log of some x is log x. Again what is that x? Log x. Do you perfect in differentiation? That's why I am writing. Otherwise differentiation videos also available, please watch. Log x derivation is 1 by x. So 1 by x into log x. See, denominator is f of x, the derivation of this f of x is numerator. So therefore integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is log of f of x plus c according to this formula. Therefore integration of 1 by x log x into log of log x is equal to this one. This is f dash x by f of x. This is the function. So which is called log of denominator. What is denominator? Log of log x. Log of log x. So here what is the answer of given question? Log of log x. That's it. Okay. So do in this way step by step. 2 marks, very important problem. Please note it. Next, 31. Find the integration of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. Solution. So this is equal to, tan means what? Generally sin by cos. Yeah. So sin x by cos x. Similarly denominator 1 plus tan means what? Again sin x by cos x. So which is equal LCM cos x into 1, cos x minus sin x by cos x is there. Similarly denominator also cos x into 1, cos x plus sin x by cos x dx gets cancelled. So cos x minus sin x by cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x is there. See, if you take this is function, always take denominator is function. The derivation of this denominator becomes numerator. Am I right? I am taking denominator is function f of x cos x plus sin x. So derivation of this function, cos x derivation minus sin x. Sin x derivation cos x. Am I right? Cos x minus sin x will be numerator. So f of x, f dash of x. So what is integration of f dash x by f of x? Log of f of x means log of cos x plus sin x plus c. So this is the answer. Daily do few 2 marks questions, okay, daily, day by day. Next 32nd problem. So so important one, this is also 1 by 1 plus e power x dx. Next I will give you 1 by 1 plus e power minus x, okay. Please note down. Okay, solution. Integration of 1 by 1 plus e power x dx is equal integration of 1 plus e power x into I am multiplying divided with e power minus x. I am multiplying with and dividing with e power minus x. So it will be 1 into e power minus x is e power minus x. So now 1 into e power minus x is e power minus x. E power x into e power minus x becomes 1. How, sir? See, e power x into e power minus x is e power x minus x, e power 0, 1 in that way. So now if you take this is function, is it function derivation or not? If you write minus into minus e power x by e power minus x plus 1, then that will be the, yes, that will be the, see, let f of x I am taking e power minus x plus 1, then derivation of that function e power minus x derivation, e power minus x, and again minus x derivation minus 1 into minus 1 and plus 1 derivation 0. So this means minus 1 into e power minus x. So this is derivation, this is function. So that is called log of e power minus x plus 1 plus c. Okay, and this is answer, and also we can split 1 by e power minus x plus 1. Okay, keep it. See in textbook once, is it this is only answer or is anything? If anything there, minus goes to power minus 1. So log of 1 by e power minus x plus 1 and multiply with e power plus x. So e power x by e power x plus 1. Okay, I think up to here enough, no problem. You will be awarded marks, don't bother about that. Next. Similarly, can you do 1 by 1 plus e power minus x? Same way you do it. Okay. Next problem, integration 1 by 1 plus e power minus x dx. Same. So here multiply and divide with e power plus x by e power plus x. Directly you will get log of e power x plus 1. Okay. So this is only easy than this. Next, one more problem, 34. So with this question I will close this part. I am completely tired. 2x plus 3 by root of x square plus 3x minus 4. X square plus 3x minus 4 dx. Same process. So let the denominator is taken as f of x, x square plus 3x minus 4. So the derivation of this function is x square derivation 2x, 3x derivation 3, constant derivation 0. So now formula, is it same? Numerator. Otherwise write step by step. How can we write step by step, sir? Yeah, derivation of f of x is equal derivation of x square plus 3x minus 4. So this is f dash of x square derivation 2 into x power 2 minus 1 plus 3 x power 1 derivation 1 into, here nothing means 1 is there, 1 into x power 1 minus 1 minus 4 constant derivation 0. So 2x plus 3, this is f dash of x. Same got it. So therefore formula f dash of x by f of x integration dx is log of f of x, but here root is there, am I right? Whenever root is there, what is formula after this formula? Yes, 1 by 2 root f of x plus c, that is the formula. Yes, is that only formula or 2 root f of x? Yeah, only 2 into root f of x. So therefore integration 2x plus 3 by root over x square plus 3x minus 4 dx is equal 2 into root f of x square plus 3x minus 4 plus c. This is the answer. Okay friends, in the next part the remaining 2 marks questions will be taught, and mostly I will try to complete all 2 marks problems in the next part. So in the next part we use the formula integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx. That is also very most important formula, and problems are there. So please watch next video. If you are newly watching, please subscribe and click bell button, and also share with your friends, and also please click the like button. Mostly I need likes and shares with your friends. Like many of you watching our classes, thank you very much, but not clicking like button, please click the like button. So through that I can be encouraged, and I will tell all. And language. So dear friends, I am also Telugu medium background, but what I am teaching always in English means you are studying English medium. So and this is mathematics. I think English is not a problem to us. Already you are in second year, first year you crossed. So okay, అలవాటు చేసుకోండి, వచ్చేస్తుంది. అండ్ టిపికల్ వర్డ్స్ అంటే ఏమీ వాడట్లేను, ఎందుకంటే నాకు పెద్దగా ఏం రావు టిపికల్ వర్డ్స్. ఓకే ఓకే, వై దిస్ మచ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ comments, but you give good comment to me and click like button. Thank you. So meet in next video.